Introducing the ProTemp Kerosene / Diesel Forced Air Heater, an exceptional heating solution that combines versatility, efficiency, and safety. Whether you're in a construction site, workshop, farm, or garage, this heater has been designed to keep you warm and comfortable even in the coldest weather. With a remarkable 175,000 BTU heat output, multi-fuel compatibility, precise temperature control, and an array of safety features, it's a reliable choice for various applications. Join us as we delve into the details of this powerful heating device, offering a comprehensive review of its features and benefits. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile heating solution. This air heater is a versatile heating solution suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you need to keep your construction site, workshop, farm, or garage warm during chilly weather, this heater has got you covered. Its adaptability makes it a valuable addition to various settings. Number 2. Long operating hours. One of the standout features of this heater is its impressive fuel efficiency. It can operate for up to 10 hours on a full tank of fuel, making it a reliable choice for extended heating needs. This extended runtime minimizes the hassle of frequent refueling, allowing you to focus on your tasks without interruptions. Number 3. Multi-fuel compatibility. This heater is designed to run on a variety of fuels. This flexibility ensures that you can find fuel options that are readily available and cost-effective in your area, making it a practical choice for users with different fuel preferences. Number 4. Precise temperature control. Efficient heating control is made easy with the built-in thermostat. This feature allows you to set and maintain your desired temperature with precision and convenience. Say goodbye to constantly adjusting the heater, as the thermostat takes care of keeping your space at the right temperature. Number 5. Safety first. Safety is a top priority with this heater. It incorporates essential safety features, including a high temperature limit shutoff, a flame-out fuel cut, and a thermocouple. These safety mechanisms provide peace of mind, ensuring that the heater operates safely even during extended use. Number 6. Impressive heat output. With a remarkable 175,000 BTU heat output, this heater can effectively warm up large areas. It's capable of heating spaces of up to 4,300 square feet, making it suitable for both small and relatively large environments. Number 7. Extended operating time. Equipped with a generous 13-gallon tank, this heater can operate for approximately 9.5 hours on a full tank. This extended operating time is a valuable feature, especially for those who need continuous heating over an extended period. Number 8. Digital temperature readout and LED diagnostics. The built-in digital temperature readout and LED diagnostics provide user-friendly control and monitoring. You can easily check the current temperature and receive important system status updates, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 9. Robust build and design. ProTemp has built this heater to withstand demanding conditions. It features a sturdy construction, making it suitable for rugged outdoor use. Its red and black color scheme adds a touch of style to its functionality. Number 10. Warranty and care. This air heater comes with a 1-year limited warranty, offering assurance of its quality and durability. Users are encouraged to follow the user manual for proper care and assembly instructions. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 43 inches depth by 18 inches width by 20 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Versatile for various settings. Long operating hours on a full tank. Multi-fuel compatibility. Convenient built-in thermostat. Robust safety features. 1 reason not to buy. Indoor use may require proper ventilation. Conclusion. The ProTemp Kerosene / diesel forced air heater is a reliable and versatile heating solution suitable for various settings. With its long operating hours, multi-fuel compatibility, precise temperature control, and robust safety features, it's a top choice for those in need of efficient heating. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.